Alright, part 2.
Mommy,
I think it should be somewhere. That scared me. I found it, and our neighbor is a great.
hello, bro.
Now, you sucky. Okay. So with this thing, I don't know what it does.
Where's this one? The two of them.
No, actually, should we do the big one or the small one?
The two of them.
First the small one, then the big one.
Wait, what does the small one do?
Oh, it does a big thing. Okay. First, let me put. No, first.
The big one.
No, let's do the small one. What? Okay. Alright, not that close. Alright, here we go. 3, 2. Oh, Jesus. Alright.
Una cerveza, yo quiero. Don't look at me.
Oh, Jesus. Ouch! That hurts. Alright, next one. Okay, I need to make sure if this thing doesn't happen. Okay. Alright, where's the lighter? Alright, here we go. Oh, damn it. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Wind. Stupid wind has a block. Yeah, I know. Oh God! Oh God! Yeah. Oh.
Alright, light it up and I will show you magic.
Alright, let's see the magic.
Okay, if you light it up, I will shoot at you. You wanna do it?
Okay.
I know.
Yeah.
Hey, you wanna do it?
No, you hold it then.
No, then I'll give it to you.
Okay, fine, I'll hold it.
No.
Alright.
Let me get the phone.
I'll grab it. I don't want them to see my face. Oh, actually, light it up. There we go. Yeah. Ouch. Alright, I will show you. Yes.
Look, come on, I dare you.
What is that? I can't. I should have charged my phone more.
You should have put flip on your line.
Just put more. Just do.
Yeah, I could.
Put more lights.
I
And
can't.
we'll see what is it.
I can't. It's just that my phone doesn't have that much charge. It's like 6%.
Wait, just look at it for now.
I was just a wish I can see.
Go.
Where?
Just
over there.
Wait,
Why?
Jeffrey, give me. Look. You see it, Jeffrey?
Alright, wait a sec. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Alright, can I have it now? I just realized it. Alright, fine.
Go there.
Oh, great. There's a fight. Let me just. Ow! Okay, I never mind. There's one more.
Now this one. This one. Just one.
I know.
The alien one. No, not that. First that one.
Alright, time to light this up. What? No.
We already did that one.
Hurry up.
It's the same thing.
Oh, it's different.
You got that?
Va a explotar.
Look, we gotta use that thing. Don't that fire. The fire. Oh, forget it.
We're gonna hit it.
It is.
No, it's not.
There's another car that's about to hit it.
What did I say?
Yeah, do that
Okay,
one.
never mind. Didn't.
Do that one. Do that one. Do this one. Jeffrey, do you smell egg white?
No, I smell cheeseburger. Alright, ready? 3, 2. Okay, let's run.
Ah!
Oh God. Oh, there's ashes.
Okay.
Hola, Jonathan.
Now me puedo sacar ese.
Excuse me.
Ya. Va. Eso se ve.
Mira, no.
No, ¿y qué es esto? Entonces, ¿cómo le vas a sacar la flor?
Solo la mecha te sale.
Uno.
Dátelo. Va.
Tacho, ya fue.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Wow, I have a phone. Oh, great. Alright, here we go.
¿Es that papitas fritas? Where's Alex? Alex, why are you talking?
Give it a look down.
Why? Yeah, that was all.
¿También? Pero si yo le cambié el fondo.
No, put it. No. Yeah. Right here with the ball.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Is that the yep, that's the last one. That's the last one, Papa. No more.
Venga, agarren la escoba, niños. Ven, ahora la lleva.
I'm not.
Por este, la escoba.
Alright, time to blow this on my face. 3, 2, 1.